Daily routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., stretch a bit, and take a few deep breaths before getting out of bed to start my day with a calm mind. After brushing my teeth and washing my face, I enjoy a warm shower which helps me feel more refreshed and ready for the day. I prepare a nutritious breakfast, typically including scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. While having breakfast, I like to catch up on the latest news by reading online articles or watching a brief news segment. I check my emails and respond to any urgent messages while sipping my morning coffee, which helps me stay alert. I take a short morning walk around my neighborhood, enjoying the fresh air and the quiet start to the day. After my walk, I spend a few minutes planning my tasks and setting goals for the day using my planner or a digital app. I commute to work by car, taking advantage of this time to listen to an informative podcast or some uplifting music to set a positive tone for the day. I check my emails and respond to any urgent messages while sipping my morning coffee, which helps me stay alert.
Work and study routine. Once I arrive at work, I start my day by reviewing my to-do list, prioritizing tasks, and organizing my workspace to minimize distractions. I attend several meetings throughout the day, collaborating with colleagues on various projects and sharing updates. I take short breaks every hour to stretch and walk around a bit, which helps me stay focused and avoid feeling fatigued. During my lunch break, I like to either go for a walk outside or catch up with a colleague over a healthy meal. In the afternoon, I focus on more demanding tasks that require deep concentration and critical thinking, ensuring I meet my deadlines. I allocate some time to respond to emails, making sure to provide thorough and timely replies to any inquiries or requests. I often conduct research or learn new skills relevant to my field, which keeps me updated and enhances my professional growth. As the workday winds down, I review what I have accomplished and update my planner for the next day, ensuring I stay organized. I make sure to wrap up any pending tasks and prepare my workspace for the next day to start fresh without any lingering clutter.
Evening routine. After work, I head to the gym where I follow a structured workout routine that includes cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Returning home, I prepare a wholesome dinner, experimenting with new recipes that incorporate a variety of fresh ingredients. I enjoy dinner with my family, sharing stories about our day and discussing any plans or events coming up. After dinner, I spend some time relaxing, whether it's by reading a book, watching a movie, or playing a board game with loved ones. I dedicate some time to my hobbies, such as painting, playing a musical instrument, or writing, which provides a creative outlet for me. Before bed, I take a warm shower to unwind and wash away the stress of the day. I practice some mindfulness meditation or breathing exercises, which helps me clear my mind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. I read a few chapters of a book that I'm currently enjoying, which helps me relax and transition into sleep mode. Additional routine. I start my day with a glass of water to rehydrate my body after a night's sleep, which helps kickstart my metabolism. I use a skincare routine in the morning that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen to protect my skin. On weekends, I enjoy sleeping in a bit longer and taking my time with my morning routine. I often start my day with a cup of herbal tea, which I find soothing and refreshing. I make it a habit to plan my meals for the week ahead, ensuring I have a balanced diet. I enjoy engaging in creative activities, such as drawing or writing, to express myself. I spend quality time with my friends and family, playing board games or having heartwarming conversations. On particularly stressful days, I find that practicing yoga helps me relax and clear my mind. I make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. I organize my workspace at the end of each day to start fresh the next morning. I enjoy trying out new hobbies and learning new skills in my free time. I make it a habit to stay connected with loved ones by calling or messaging them regularly. I enjoy exploring new places and experiences during my weekends or vacations. I make time for personal reflection and self-improvement through journaling or meditation. I enjoy spending time outdoors, whether it's hiking, biking, or simply taking a walk.
Daily routine.